Hi everyone, it's Glenn and Joy with Locker Finds again. This is the second locker that we purchased at Payless Storage today. This one we paid $210 for, so we're going to open it up and see what we have. So this is it. So stay tuned and we're going to load this up and we'll get back to you guys when we do the unboxing. Hi everyone, this is Glenn and Joy with Locker Finds. We're doing a second segment of the $150 locker we purchased. This is called the Lawnmower locker, so we're going to try to finish it up with this one here. So we got 3 more tubs and a couple other things to go through, 3 boxes. So here we go. So here's some decorative apples. Some more apple decorations. This is roach, so we can trash that. Here's a little basket for fruit, an apple basket.
Somebody liked apples.
Yeah.
Be great for the yard sale. I don't see eBay yet.
No.
Oh, those are cute. Yeah. Those might be eBay.
Little salt and pepper shakers.
Those are cute.
Yep.
Is there a brand on those apple?
Just Gibson every day.
Let's let the people see. Hi, people. It's not focusing. Where's the darn?
Yeah.
Oh well. Probably nothing special.
Oh, we got a couple of bowls here. California Pantry.
Probably nothing special.
No.
We are learning about pottery and so on. So bear with us. Any other goodies? Ooh, I see something.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Some Pyrex.
That's nice. That's vintage.
Yeah.
It looks like it's in good shape.
Yeah. So we got some Pyrex there.
Okay.
Here's a little bowl, needs to be cleaned up.
Yeah.
Coventry.
Yeah. Coventry. Putting.
Nothing real exciting yet, just yard sale. Some plates. Got some chips in it.
Yeah. Transferring.
Some more
So glass bowl.
glass bowls.
That is so exciting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. There's an apple, decorative apple.
It says new on it.
New York.
Oh, that's adorable.
Yeah. It's pretty heavy.
That is so cute.
Huh.
Huh.
Yeah. There's
Another apple. Nice. You know what they say, an apple a day.
keeps the doctor away.
That's right.
There's another Pyrex measuring cup.
Okay. That's about.
Some more bowls, nothing special.
That's cute though. That one. Kind of cute.
Yeah.
This is what you get sometimes in lockers.
Yeah, it's just yard sale stuff. A couple of plastic bowls.
That's, I think, for guacamole. Mole. Nice.
Yeah. Trying to move along here as fast as we can without breaking anything. Here's
I'm boring you to death.
Green plastic bowls.
Yeah, those are nice. Maybe leave it on the table for a minute as you're going. Just go ahead.
Okay.
That looks
Some
like
plates that go with the bowls.
Oh, that's different. I don't know if it makes you dizzy or.
Here's a Pyrex bowl. The other two clear ones weren't Pyrex, so
Okay.
this is Pyrex.
Which is good. People like Pyrex.
Okay.
Who doesn't? Okay, what's that?
Oh, the butter trays? I don't know.
Yeah, no.
Okay, well,
All right,
you
let's
asked
move
me. That's-
I know. I asked the wrong person.
All right. And here's more apple decorations.
Oh,
So the rest of this, if I can pan in here, is just a bunch of odd new things that'll sell for $1 each.
yeah, I think that one
Some
got
of it's roached, but
Yeah.
anyway, we're going to cut away here, and we'll be back to you as soon as we get the next box up. Give me finger stuff or something.
Action. Action, babe.
Oh, I didn't hear the phone? Sure.
didn't.
Okay.
Yeah, it said kitchen on here, but I don't think it's kitchen.
Okay, let's see.
Maybe it is, maybe.
It's a combination kitchen and
And
boots.
Nothing special.
No.
$1.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, those are kind of cute. Those are just those mucklucks.
Mucklucks.
Yeah, they're not bad.
Yeah. Okay.
They're comfy, cozy.
Here's some plastic.
Jello mold,
Yeah.
Tupperware, nice, vintage.
Here's
Let's
a
see.
cat.
Okay, what's it say? The color run.
Color run.
Nothing. Garbage.
TV antenna.
That's okay.
The Marine Corps League.
Let me see.
The Ultimate Challenge.
The ultimate challenge. Put something in there and drink it.
Okay.
Okay.
Plastic cup. Nothing.
No.
Okay, we're just going to skip over the things that we think are trash that we're not going to use. That's nothing. I think this stuff is basically nothing here.
Yeah.
No,
No.
trash. There's another TV antenna.
Okay.
Platform to a television. We're just going to toss that.
Okay.
There's a lot of trash in this one. There's something here. What is that?
Oh, it's a rose. That looks beautiful. I can't read it. I don't have my glasses.
It says, "My love is true and will not fade, just like this class rose. As this rose remains unchanged, so will my love for you."
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay.
Placemats.
Yeah.
Trash.
Yeah.
Starbucks cup.
Yummy.
Okay. Coffee mug.
Oh, yeah, that's all right. Mugs sell,
Love you,
actually.
Grandma.
Aw, that's precious.
Yeah, trash.
Ah,
Some.
well,
Oh,
that's kind of weird. Look at the
yeah,
lion's face on it.
yeah. It's kind of odd.
I like it.
Yeah, there's a couple of 4 of those in here, so
Oh, those are nice.
let me grab the
You
other
might
one.
have to just look them up.
Yeah,
Look them up.
It says on the bottom, nothing really. It just says made in China.
Oh, China.
Yeah.
Some stuff's good.
Okay, so a couple of plates. I don't know if we're going to keep those or not. There's only two.
They're kind of pretty.
It's hard to even sell a set of plates.
It depends on the brand.
Yeah.
Does it say anything?
It just says
Sometimes people are
made
looking.
in China.
Sometimes people are looking for that one piece. Oh,
That
that's
will
cute.
keep.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Christmas.
Usually even sets of plates are hard to sell.
Yeah, sometimes.
So here's.
That's a little dusty.
Yeah, needs to be cleaned up, I think.
Just a little platter. Nothing.
Yeah.
I mean, we come across a lot of platters. So.
Here's a little.
Hey, that's nice.
With no lid.
What's wrong? Oh, it's broke.
Oh, yeah, it's cracked right there. So.
Darn it.
So the rest of this stuff in here, besides the two speakers here.
What's with the green lid?
Okay, well, hold on one second. Oh, this is no good. The cover's missing off of one of them.
We didn't pay very much for this locker, but...
Okay, so... Got a couple other mugs here.
I'm waiting to see what that green lid is.
Okay. Get that.
Ew.
Oh, I think it's...
You know what? Maybe I could clean it because...
Yeah, I don't know.
It's porcelain.
Okay.
And it might be something cool.
All right.
Well, 409. We'll see.
Okay, I think
Maybe
everything else in here, I think, is
broached.
broached. Yeah.
What about those? Those are just.
There's some teeth.
What?
Teeth.
There it is.
Yeah.
I think we're done here.
Okay. We're going to cut away and we'll pull the next box up and go through it and show you what we find in the next one. Okay, everyone, we're back. This is the third box here, so let's open up and see what we have in here. Here's a Gucci purse with money.
That's Guess.
Guess? Okay. I know anything.
Actually, it looks nice.
Penny in it.
And I see where that penny went.
Yeah, my pocket. There's a little,
oh, and a wallet.
yeah.
Very nice. I just cleaned that up.
Yeah. Okay.
A couple bucks for that. That'll be great.
Okay.
I like that.
There's a pair of boots.
They didn't say what this is, did they?
Yeah, they kind of had the boots mixed with or their clothing and stuff mixed with the dishes.
Very rarely is it true what they say on the box.
Pair of shoes.
Those are clean.
Faded Glory.
Oh, yeah. Definitely yard sale.
Little tray. Candle holder, I'm guessing.
Yeah. Are you going to set some stuff out?
Yeah.
Those are kind of nice. Especially for the, the season.
Some wall candle holders.
Oh, yeah. They're nice.
Yeah. So set these in there. Some photos.
Some art.
Yeah.
I don't know anything about it.
No.
Grand Canal. Kind of cool.
The other.
Kind of looks like... I was going to say someone put a picture in there. But you think it's made like that?
Yeah, because the back is...
What's that say? Gondola waiting? Very cool.
Yeah.
Looks like Venice.
Okay. I'm thinking these... Did these go with the...
What were you thinking?
I go with this?
I don't know, babe. I don't think... Maybe. They're not together.
No, I don't think so.
I really don't know. I'll look at it later.
Okay. Anyway,
We'll figure it out.
two of those.
What else is in here?
Here's a
long as there's no more teeth in here.
Yeah, heater.
Okay. With a long
We
cord.
have other heaters we're gonna put that with, set it to the side.
Okay.
Little candle holder.
Yeah. The candle holder box.
Yes.
Hang on, I'm getting a phone call.
Okay, everybody, sorry about that. We got interrupted by our neighbor. But here's the final box out of
I thought it was a phone call, excuse me. Final box.
This is the final box out of the $150 locker. So let's open it up and see what we have in here.
Hey, another apple.
Apple clock. It's kind of cracked, but maybe somebody will want it for $1.
Yeah.
Here's a KitchenAid.
Oh boy. It's a little dirty.
Want to toss this? Or
No.
Pyrex again.
Nice. I'm just gonna look in the box.
Okay. Got some more of the plates like we had in the other box.
Yeah, they're a little chipped. We'll see if they sell. If not, we'll just
get rid of them.
yeah. Oh yeah.
49ers mug.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah, it's nice.
I'm a San Francisco 49er fan, and
Patriots.
They have my heart.
Here's a plastic Coca-Cola.
Let's see the front. Oh, for some reason, shadowy. Okay.
Okay. I think we can probably trash this plastic stuff.
Okay.
It's too hard to try to get rid of that. Here's just a regular mug.
Yeah.
Nothing on it.
Somebody will fill it up.
Yeah.
We don't drink, so it looked like a beer mug, huh?
Yeah. A little polka dot mug and flower mug.
Yeah. Somebody's having a bad day.
Yeah.
I hear a siren. Sorry, guys.
There's a little butter tray.
Yeah, dish.
It's another San Francisco 49ers
Cool. Looks like a football.
football. It says Snoop. Somebody knows what that relates to, and 49ers, let us know.
Yeah.
Because I have no clue.
That is not our forte.
No. Smaller mugs here.
Nice.
That one's a San Francisco.
Oh, cool. Somebody was a fan.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that. I see something really cool in there.
Here's a Coca-Cola.
Yeah, that's neat. I've never seen it like a mug.
Yeah, like a mug. Here's a Coca-Cola.
Oh, yeah. Who doesn't love that?
So,
Very nice.
another San Francisco mug.
Yay.
We'll probably sell them both together
Sure.
instead of separate. Okay. Just a regular mug again.
Okay. So another one? Maybe there's a set.
I think that's all the mugs.
Okay.
A glass. I don't know if that's worth keeping. It's by itself.
Okay.
It's not another
Toss
one.
it. Oh, that was gentle.
Yeah. We're going to try to get rid of these or toss
They're
them.
nice. Let's see
Okay.
if we can rub some.
Okay, we've got
There's a set.
1,
I
2,
think.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of those.
Okay. They're kind of cool.
Yeah.
I personally like to drink out of a glass. Some people like plastic, which that's fine.
Okay, so
There's a corn. What is that?
it's a,
Corn straw?
yeah.
Anything?
Yeah. So something here.
Oh,
This
the
is
good
a
stuff.
little crock pot.
Oh,
It's
nice.
a small one. 2 quart.
Slow cooker.
Yeah.
About $10.
Yeah. Sell that for about $10.
Yeah. Actually, they're great.
Okay, and then the rest of this stuff in here is, it's not worth messing with at a yard sale.
Messing with.
So we're gonna just toss this stuff.
Okay.
And we'll get back to you as soon as we set the other things up we got out of the locker.
Sounds good.
Okay, everyone, we're back. So this is a little rolling cart that we found in the locker. So we're going to sell that for $15–20.
Yeah, it's nice actually.
Here's a walking stick we also found. We're going to see if we can get $20–30 out of that.
I like that.
Yeah. And a couple other things. Let me move this out of the way. Here's a coffee table that we also got. It's a little scuffed up, but
Not bad.
should get
20
about
bucks.
$20 out of that.
In case you're seeing that bottle over there, you've probably seen it in one of our earlier videos. I'm trying to clean it out for the money.
And here's a weed eater. We're going to buy some fuel for this and see if we can.
This was out of the $150 locker,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
Okay.
So
Yep.
we're going to get some fuel for that, see if we can start this up and get it going, and we can get about
Yeah.
$70 or $80 for that.
Long overdue.
And then here's
Hint,
last
hint.
but not least, the lawnmower we found. It's got a
Ta-da!
Briggs and Stratton engine in it on it. It's doesn't have any fuel in it, so we're gonna get some fuel for that. We'll give you guys an update and let you know what happens.
Yeah, we'll show you what he's
Okay.
up to. Our yard looks terrible, so we apologize for that.
So that's it for this video. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment below and tell us what you think of our video. Also be sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to our video, and finally be sure to hit the bell and to be notified when we put out a new video. Until next time, everybody, stay safe.
Bye.